Welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital markets. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, October 9th, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 26,598.94 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.948 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by minus 0.79%. Investors lost 102.7 billion naira as market sentiment closed negative. Learn Africa, Charms and Cornest were top gainers, while PZ, NCR and Guinness were among the top losers. Custodian, Access Bank and WAPCO were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.42 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 362 naira 2 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 362 naira 30 kobo and closed at 362 naira 50 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 697.71 basis points with a market capitalization of 501.26 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 394,345 and the value traded 11.101 million in 15 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displayed on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the 2020 budget presented on Tuesday, October 8, 2019, includes an estimate of 10.33 trillion naira total expenditure with the following assumptions. Real GDP growth projection of 2.93% by 2020, estimated revenue of 8.15 trillion naira, $57 per barrel crude oil benchmark, exchange rate of 305 naira to a dollar, 2.18 million barrels per day for crude oil production. Also, accompanying the 2020 budget is the finance bill that covers the following areas: promoting fiscal equity by mitigating instances of regressive taxation, reforming domestic tax laws to align with global best practices, introducing tax incentives for investments in infrastructure and capital markets, supporting micro, small and medium-sized businesses in line with our ease of doing business reforms, and raising revenues for government. For the key market and economic events to watch for today, the Presidential Enabling Business Environment Council (PEBEC) will kick off a series of subnational engagements with the business community across the country tagged LIT, meaning listen, implement and track. It will start in Lagos State with Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu as special guest of honor at the event. Also, the Enhancing Financial Innovation and Access (EFINA) will host its South-South Zonal Financial Agent Stakeholders Forum in Port Harcourt in collaboration with the Shared Agent Network Expansion Facility (SANEF). And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a great day.